So we're in Taipa village, we're at Zhuhai. We're in a category 8 typhoon storm right now. There's people walking around with umbrellas, taxis going by looking for high fares because they don't get, their insurance doesn't apply if they get an accident during a typhoon. And we're gonna walk around Taipa village a little bit and just kind of see what it looks like in a typhoon, and tell you all about it in a minute. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here's Taipa village. We're on Zhuhai. This is one of the main tourist areas. Everything is closed on this street. There are some things that are open right now, so you can still get whatever you need. I need an umbrella. I don't have one for whatever reason. I didn't get it. There's a store that's open right there. Or well, he's closed. He's just getting out of his shop. So I think what we're going to do is walk around Taipa village and just see what we can see in this typhoon. So we're going to stroll down some of the alleys, meander around a little bit to see what we come across. This area is kind of protected from the winds, and I think that that's why that street we were just on had all these in the middle part, because they probably are blocked from the winds. And the air does feel kind of still in here. So we have all these little alleys. Okay. I have walked around in these alleys after some really bad typhoons, the 2017 one in particular, and there was debris all over the place. I don't really see it here. Actually, this is still standing. Amazingly, all these things are still standing. None of those blow over, so I guess the wind wasn't really that strong. I mean, it's strong enough to be categorized as a category 8, but we didn't get the direct hit. We're 350 kilometers away. You can see some windows with the tape. Yeah, I don't really see anything. Last time I remember in Hato there was a lot of debris right in front of this Barcelona, so I remember talking to the owner for a moment, and we just kind of saw something going across here. Wish I had the video camera at that time. A bit of flooding in this area. I don't really have the good proper shoes for the flooding. Got all this kind of cool stuff everywhere in these alleys. I'm gonna go around in this way. We're kind of meandering around. I don't see any signs of the typhoon. There's a door open. I mean, I don't see any debris. That door, unless that door flung open. That one as well. Kind of want to walk by barber shop that I go to sometimes and just kind of see. Yeah. Are they doing construction today? Yeah, all this stuff could be destroyed in a strong winds. Usually I've seen this before, just completely destroyed. All that scaffolding. Looks like instead they're working right now. I feel like I hear people working. Yeah, that should. If the winds are very strong, that would have all been destroyed. Nice balcony right there. Yeah, that was one of the things I remember. Some of those bad typhoons, especially when the eye went through us. This stuff would just be completely all over the city, just gone. And so would all that metal be, that metal too. But I guess in this area it's not really an issue. It's not really I mean, the storm is not strong enough. Somebody dropped their mask. It's a COVID era. Okay, let's just see here. Yeah, the streets look pretty clean actually. There's Choker's Red. Pretty cool motorcycle there. They're closed. Everything is closed today. Great barbershop. Let's keep on moving before the rain hits us. I still got to get an umbrella. Yeah, this would all be destroyed too in a strong wind. So it is a category 8. Some of them are massively destructive, and yeah, all this stuff would be gone. Yeah, I still can't never forget 2017. I wish I had a video camera at that time. I took a lot of pictures, but I didn't they're in one of my mini camera rolls. So for me to find them, it would take a long time. They're somewhere in storage, but I have so many photos, but I didn't, I wasn't a YouTuber at that time. Yeah, I think I'm definitely gonna buy an umbrella. I don't have one, and I am wet already, but my shoes are wet. Definitely have these light little shoes. There's the bike shop, still open. Huh. Have these shoes right here get wet quick. They're like not even wearing shoes really. Okay, let's see. Here's OTT. I'm gonna try to get an umbrella over there. So yeah, this one is all closed. I didn't realize they had those gates like that to protect that strongly. I guess it's been here when they closed down for the evening. Yeah, look how clean these streets are. It's almost no debris. I don't know if people are picking them up. So there's a little bit. There's one right there, but that's about it. Oh wow. Are you opening? Is it going to be category 8 soon? Category 3?
No, still 8, but we always open.
Oh, okay. Sounds good. Oh, that sounds good. So that's going to be opening in a minute. Opening soon. Okay. So that's kind of what our streets look like on this category 8. Our streets are pretty empty right here. And we're going to try to get an umbrella if we can. If they sell any in here. Yeah, some right there. So I'm going to buy an umbrella and we're going to end this one.